I was having a very difficult time getting any sleep at all. It was just so bad to the point where I just was desperate for any solution. Tried sleeping medications and supplements, and just tried mm, different tools I've learned through just talking with friends and doctors and things like that. I needed to focus more on mentally how to conquer the problem. It's much, much better. Yes, yes, it's definitely improved quite a bit. I feel like I have my life back. I mean, sleep is so critical. So, it's definitely something that, you need to pay attention to when it's off. There's something else going on that needs to be addressed. It was great. Anybody that's really struggling with sleep and really wants to get to the bottom of um, the causes and how to just combat it effectively for the future. Be patient and know that it can happen for you.